guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be a DollsKill haul. Now, if you don't know DollsKill, they're a pretty interesting company. I find their stuff very hit or miss. Like when I go onto their website, I either love the item or I want nothing to do with it. So it's a bit, you know, on the fence for me, but I always find items that I wear all the time. So for me, it's worth the risk of going through everything. So this time around, I've got quite a few items, but they are perfect. I've already been wearing a few of them because it literally arrived, I opened it and just couldn't help myself. You'll understand why when you see them in a minute, but they're just so much fun. And it's such a nice day today in England. I'm actually filming using natural light. I don't know if you can tell, you probably are thinking, oh, the lighting's really annoying in this video. I am sorry, I just didn't want to set up my lights when it's such a beautiful day. And I did something wacky with my hair. I decided to do 3 plaits today because 1 or 2 wasn't enough. I'll show you what it actually looks like. Can you see? I don't know if you guys can see that, I hope you could. But I normally plait my hair and then the next day take them out and I'll have like mad wavy curly hair and I love it. But I was thinking, I normally do 2 plaits and it's pretty crazy. What's gonna happen if I do 3? So it's sort of an experiment to see what my hair looks like tomorrow. So if it goes well, maybe I'll do it more often. But yeah, just if you were wondering why there's an extra one flying around, that is why. So let's jump to it. So the first item I would like to show you guys is a denim jacket. Now I am sat in a white denim dress right now and, well, it's a white denim jacket, but not just a basic bitch white denim jacket. Like, look at this. It's like, it's giving me Elvis Presley vibes. Like, look at all those studs. Isn't it amazing? It probably won't go with my outfit, but I'm just gonna put it on. It's like a really heavy jacket, but it's nice. Only thing I would say with this one, I will link it down below if it's still available, is, so it does have, I'll show you, it does have buttons, but the actual buttonholes aren't cut like properly, like the slit is very tiny, and so obviously you can't get the button in, but that's not hard to do just with a knife or a pair of scissors. I'm just gonna move my chair back so you guys can see this. Maybe if I kneel on it. Ta-da! Like, isn't that just the coolest thing? I feel like this would look really chic with sort of like a white denim skirt and like a studded belt or something. Not with a pretty white denim dress, I feel like that's a bit overkill, but the actual jacket, amazing. And I want to put something in this panel. Like, I feel like it's just the perfect panel to stitch something in. Maybe I should find some metal ammonites or metal fossils and just stick them in that band. I feel like that would look good. But yeah, so this is the first item I got and I love it. Like, just look at the detailing on it. I think it's amazing. I actually love it. But yeah, I feel like this panel needs something in it. Let me know what you think I should put in it. Maybe more studs or something, but I want to put something in it that is very much me, so the jacket becomes like my own custom jacket, if that makes sense. Not that many people are going to have this one anyway, but oh, I love it. And I like the fact it's cropped. It's just going to look so cute. I think it'll also look cute with jeans and things like that. We'll see. I'm definitely rocking the right hairstyle for this jacket. It's like punky. No, I love it. The thing I'm going to show you guys is a little bag. Now, if you watched my last DollsKill haul, you would have seen I got a really cute romper, which had cherries all over it. And I saw this and I was just like, I have to get it to match my romper. It's a really cute cherry bag and I think that's just adorable. And it's quite a big bag. I could get quite a lot in it, I think. Like, it's pretty decent inside. So that's really nice because it could actually work as a handbag, not just a accessory. Because I have some handbags that don't even fit my phone in and they are very annoying, but they look good with outfits. So yeah, it's just got a chain strap, and chain straps are a bit difficult for me because if I am if it's bare skin, I find them quite uncomfortable. But I'll make do. As long as the bag isn't too heavy with stuff in, then it's not a problem. And I would say this is a bit flimsy, but it is a very novelty bag. So I think it'll be alright. And I like how they put the white bits there to make it look, you know, I don't know what that does, makes it look 3D. I had to do it in art once. Who knows? But yeah, so that's that one. So the next item I got, I thought would look really adorable because I love mushroom picking. I know that probably sounds quite odd. There's a lot of things about me that's a bit odd, but yeah, so I used to go mushroom picking all the time with my granddad, and so I know all the ones that are edible, which ones are poisonous, etc. So I thought, I saw this top and was like, oh my god, that's adorable. It's just an embroidered toadstool. Oh my god, why can't I talk? An embroidered toadstool. I was saying like toadstool. Definitely got my tongue tied there, but it's just so adorable, and I love the fact it's embroidered. But now that it's come, it's sort of like a crop top, and no joke, I feel like I've just stolen a 5-year-old's top and squeezed myself into it. It doesn't look like it's meant to be, if that makes sense. Like, I will put it on so you guys can see, but I feel like it's just not quite right. I think it's because if it was longer or a bit looser, then it would be like, oh, that's the right size, that looks fine. But it just looks like I've stolen a kid's clothes, I think. But let me know what you think. I did get it in an adult size small, I would just like to say, but I just loved how cute the embroidery was on it, but I think it just makes, it just doesn't quite look right. But I'll let you guys decide on it. Like, it does fit and everything, and it is lovely. It's just not quite right. I don't know. I'll put it on. I might just need to wear it again, but when I tried this on earlier, I wasn't too hot on it. But yeah, we shall see. So this is how the top fits, and let me know if I'm mistaken, but I just think it looks like I'm wearing a child's top rather than an adult's crop top. But let me know, because I absolutely love it, and I can't bring myself to get rid of it just yet, but I don't know if I'm going to be wanting to wear it, just in case that's the sort of vibe it's given off. So let me know if you're getting that sort of vibe from it, but I absolutely love the embroidery. I think it's so cute, but just not for an adult, maybe. But yeah, that's what it looks like. But the next item I'm going to show you guys is also a top, but this one's a lot cuter and a lot more adulty, I want to say. It's quite picnic farmer chick kind of vibe, and it's just this, I don't know how to show it without a body in it. Obviously you'll see it in a minute, but it's like a tie top in picnic fabric. I'm going to tie that properly so it looks like that. So that goes there, and then it's a halter, and then it just goes round the back like that, and it's really nice for summer, it's really nice for hot weather. Like, today would be the perfect day to wear it, actually. And it's just so girly and sweet, and I think I kind of get a vintage vibe out of it. Like, I can imagine a girl, you know, going on her first date, you know, back in, I don't really know what era this reminds me of, but I'm just getting a vintage vibe from it. I think with high-waisted shorts or something like that would be really cute. No, so I love this one. I'll just go pop it on so you can actually see what it looks like, because right now it just looks like a flimsy tea towel, but it actually fits lovely. So I'll go pop this one on. So this is how it fits, and it's just such a cute, very feminine top, and I just love everything about it. It's not very tight, especially for a small, but I think I could probably bring it in more at the front, but I think the front, if I tie it any more, it'll start tying in the lace. So I kind of like that it's a bit more of a relaxed fit, especially for summer. So no, I really like it. I think it works really well, and with white jeans or a white little skirt or shorts, it's gonna be really cute. Maybe I'll wear this for the day with white jeans rather than my white denim dress. Decisions, because it's so cute. I do love it. I do love it. But because it's not very tight, I probably wouldn't go braless underneath it, which is what I was hoping to do, just because you can't, like, if I tightened it enough to get this to actually be supportive, I'd basically lose so much of the front design. So it's a very cute top, but you need something under it, I would say, if you're my sort of size. But no, I think it's adorable. I'd love this in like every colour, especially maybe a baby blue would be really cute. But yeah, so that's how this one fits. But this next item I'm going to show you guys is crazy. Now, I'm probably one of few who actually will wear these, and when I say will wear them, I have worn them and I loved them. So they are, I don't know what they're called, but they're by Current Mood Clothing, and they're a pair of jeans, and just look at that. I love the print on them. I think they're so funky. They are flares though, and I love flares, but I don't really do flares, especially when they're a bit short for me. So these are ankle swinging flares, which I don't do that. So I do fold them into like straight cut jeans, and you just like fold it in and then fold it over. I'll show you when I try them on, which is a godsend, and I absolutely love them when they're like that. I'll show you them before I tie them, or I'll do one leg flared, one leg straight, so you guys can see. But yeah, I'm glad I can fold them, but they're just so unusual, and I love the colours in them. because they're not too like in your face, but they are still very in your face, so I like that. And I think they're so funky. And I got them in a size small. They're not that high-waisted, but they are a bit high-waisted. Like, I would say I'd probably have liked a medium for my bum. They're a bit, you know, short for space there, but I make them work. And a medium would have been way too big around the waist, because these are a bit big around the waist. So a small is perfect, and I'm hoping they're going to give as I wear them, because they do have a bit of stretch in them. So just got to wear them in, that's all. But I love them. Like, look. I am obsessed with these. I think they're amazing. So I'll go pop them on and you guys can be disgusted by how they look, because I've already shown them to a few people and they're like, Emma, no offense, but what are those? And I still love them. So we'll see what you guys think. So are these just not the coolest jeans you've ever seen in your life? Oh God, they are a little bit tight. I'm trying to show you the flariness of them. Oh, let me put that leg down. But I wear them like this. So they're a bit like straight legged. I don't know if I go back, you'll actually be able to see them. So this is how I wear them. This is how they're meant to be worn, but they're about a good inch too short for me, but I think they're so funky. And you can see they're a little bit tight, but then the waist is huge. This is a common problem for me, unfortunately, but with a cute belt, I think they work fine. They're just so funky, but yeah, they're not quite high-waisted, but I don't think all my jeans should be high-waisted. Like, I love high-waisted jeans, but these are too funky to pass up. And I think I work them. I don't think they're everyone's cup of tea, but they are just so funky. But yeah, I might actually dart them in, because I kind of think they look nice without a belt, but I just can't get away with that, I don't think, which is a shame. But no, I absolutely love them. I think they're just so funky, and because they're a bit short for me and I'm folding them up, I think with like a pair of heels they could be really, really cute. And you can go for like a wacky colour heel, because they have they have so many cool colours within them, so I might as well play on that. But yeah, so that's how they fit, and I love them. And then the final thing I got is a beautiful, sort of just really easy to wear summer dress. I wanted something that was a bit safer than all my other summer dresses, because there's sort of a trend in summer dresses. I tend to go for the shorter ones, or the, you know, a bit more risky ones. So I wanted one that I could wear that was still, you know, cute and very girly, but, you know, was when I was just wanting something to not hide in, but not have any worries of having to pull it down all the time, or is my bum cheek hanging out, etc. Just wanted a safe option, and this is perfect. So it's just like a linen dress. Fairly long, not quite floor length, but it still has my bit of sexiness that I always go for. It has a lovely slit going all the way down my left leg, I believe. So it's still quite, it's very freeing, like you can move fine, but it's also quite, you know, it's still unusual. I like the slit in it. And then the top of it's lovely, the way they've done the cups and everything. I just love everything about it, and I think the colour is really, really summery with the white and the green. So, no, I really like this one. I'll go throw it on, but yeah, it's a yes from me. So this is how the dress fits, and I just love how easy it is to wear. It's just very floaty, and, you know, just looks really cute without any effort, really. And I like the fact it's got a slit. I don't think I would actually wear it if it didn't have the slit, because it would just be a bit too pum. Like, I don't want to say frumpy because it's beautiful, but without the slit, for me personally, it's not quite my cup of tea. But I think the slit just makes it so cute. Like, I love how flowy it is and feminine. I really like it. It's sort of just something I didn't have before, but definitely something I can see myself wearing. So yeah, that's this one, and I definitely think I'm going to get a lot of wear out of this, especially in England, because it is a bit longer. It's probably a bit warmer, but then it's also not tight, so it's cool. Don't know if that makes sense. Like, it's just very easy to wear in quite a few climates. So no, I love this one, and I like the slit. It's not too high, but it's kind of in a very cute place. It's not, you know, creeping up my crotch or anything. It's on my leg and on the side. So no, I really like this. That's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed this little haul. I'm really chuffed with everything I got, to be honest. It was a good haul, especially with summer, and summer is here, so I'll definitely get a lot of wear out of the stuff. But no, if you enjoyed, please give it a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you thought of the items I got. I'll be intrigued to hear some of your opinions. But again, I'll link all my social media in the description box below. I do have an Instagram, a second channel, which is all about geology, and a Patreon. So if that would interest you, please check that out. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you next time.